Welcome back to Julia Outfit. Today we prove, with style and common sense, that the right fit beats fleeting trends every time. From tailored layers to relaxed trousers, each outfit below shows how proportion, tailoring, and confidence transforms simple pieces into flattering spring looks for men over 50. I'll walk you through 20 thoughtfully fitted outfits, explaining what to choose, why the fit works, and how to wear it with quiet confidence. Crisp light blazer plus Breton tee plus straight chinos. A lightweight, single-breasted blazer cut to skim the shoulders paired with a fitted Breton tee balances torso proportions, while straight chinos create a clean vertical line for refined, age-appropriate spring elegance. Soft bomber jacket plus slim polo plus dark jeans. The bomber's shoulder fit gives structure without bulk. A slim polo tucked slightly and creates a tidy waistline, and straight dark jeans lengthen the silhouette for a casual but polished spring outfit. Unstructured linen blazer plus open collar shirt plus tailored shorts. An unstructured linen blazer with relaxed shoulders and a tapered short length keeps things airy. The open collar shirt draws the eye up while tailored shorts end at a flattering mid-thigh proportion. Lightweight trench plus thin knit sweater plus tapered trousers. A trench that follows the natural shoulder line and cinches slightly at the waist creates classic shape. Pairing with a thin knit and tapered trousers keeps the result elegant and proportionate for spring. Harrington jacket plus crisp white shirt plus slim corduroys. The Harrington's cropped length highlights the waist when it fits correctly. A crisp shirt underneath adds structure, and slim corduroys add texture while maintaining balanced lines for a mature spring look. Soft-shouldered suit jacket plus fine-gauge tee plus pleated trousers. A suit jacket with soft shoulders that follows the natural silhouette feels modern, while a fine tee underneath keeps things casual. Pleated trousers with a controlled taper add comfort and flattering volume. Boxy overshirt, well-sized, plus roll neck tee plus straight jeans. Choose an overshirt size to allow layering but not drown you. A close-fitting roll neck tee adds streamlined verticality, and straight jeans keep the outfit tidy and age-appropriate for breezy spring days. Cropped lightweight parka plus fitted Henley plus slim joggers. A parka that stops just above the hip avoids cutting the legs. The fitted Henley provides a neat torso line, and slim joggers give mobility without adding bulk, sporty comfort with flattering proportions. Soft cardigan plus button-down plus wool blend trousers. A cardigan that hugs the shoulders and sits close to the body, layers over a button-down to define chest shape. Wool blend trousers with a slight taper create a composed, comfortable spring ensemble. Structured denim jacket plus chambray shirt plus khaki chinos. A denim jacket that fits snugly at the shoulders and avoids excess sleeve length creates masculine shape. Paired with a chambray shirt and slim khaki chinos, the overall look is crisp, casual, and proportionate. Lightweight blouson plus patterned shirt plus straight linen pants. A blouson that ends at the waist highlights a tailored proportion. A subtle patterned shirt draws interest upward, while straight linen pants offer breathability and an elongated silhouette for warm spring days. Tailored sleeveless vest plus long sleeve tee plus slim wool pants. A vest cut close to the torso sculpts the upper body without restriction. Layered over a fitted long sleeve tee with slim wool pants, it creates vertical harmony and modern sophistication for transitional weather. Casual sport coat plus polo knit plus cropped trousers. A sport coat with natural shoulders and a nip at the waist worn over a polo knit keeps proportions crisp. Cropped trousers that hit just above the ankle showcase footwear and prevent a heavy hemline. Lightweight overcoat plus fitted sweater plus straight-leg jeans. An overcoat that follows shoulder seams and grazes mid-thigh provides polish. Under it, a fitted sweater and straight-leg jeans combine warmth with clean lines that avoid swallowing the frame. Sleeveless trench vest plus short sleeve shirt plus tapered cargo pants. A sleeveless trench vest with defined seams creates a long vertical panel down the torso. Paired with a short sleeve shirt and tapered cargo pants, the outfit is contemporary, balanced, and flattering for spring. Soft shawl collar cardigan plus Henley plus tailored joggers. A shawl collar cardigan that lies close to the chest opens softly around the face. A fitted Henley keeps the torso neat, and tailored joggers provide modern ease without adding unnecessary volume. Lightweight raincoat plus mockneck plus slim chinos. A raincoat cut to the body keeps water protection stylish. A mockneck sweater smooths the neckline, and slim chinos provide proportionate leg lines, practical, flattering, and quietly refined. Cropped field jacket plus thin sweater plus straight military-inspired trousers. A field jacket cropped at the hip preserves balance with the torso. A thin sweater underneath and straight military trousers create a disciplined, structured silhouette that reads mature and intentional. Relaxed blazer plus layered tees plus pleated culotte-like trousers. A relaxed blazer with tailored shoulder and shortened length worn over layered tees creates dimension. Pleated, culotte-inspired trousers that taper at the hem add movement while maintaining flattering proportions. Lightweight knit blazer plus crisp pocket square plus slim drawstring trousers. A knit blazer that contours the shoulders and chest gives the appearance of tailored structure with comfort. A pocket square for polish and slim drawstring trousers keep the line clean and spring ready.